Hi there kids, you're welcome to another episode of Uncle DK Stories. Today's title is Ijapa and the Bird's Feathers. Join us as we learn how to become beautiful boys and girls for mommy, daddy, our friends and our loved ones. Let's go!
Ijapa and the Bird's Feathers. One bright morning, Ijapa the tortoise listened as the birds chirped excitedly about a magnificent festival in the sky where they would wear the brightest, most colorful feathers. Oh, how I wish I could fly and wear feathers like those birds. Determined, Ijapa approached the birds, a charming smile on his face. Dear birds, may I borrow some of your beautiful feathers to fly at the festival? The birds chuckled, thinking Ijapa was being silly, but they agreed to lend him a few feathers. Ijapa attached them to his back with pride and climbed to the tallest hill, ready to take flight. Here I go. I will fly like the wind. With a big leap, Ijapa jumped off the hill, flapping his arms, but instead of soaring through the air, he tumbled down, rolling and bouncing all the way to the ground. Oh dear, that didn't work at all. Undeterred, Ijapa returned to the birds, a bit embarrassed, but still hopeful. Can I have a few more feathers? I think I just need a little more practice. The birds couldn't resist his charm. They lent him more feathers, and this time he had a brilliant idea. I'll just walk to the festival and enjoy the festivities on the ground. So Ijapa strolled to the festival, wearing his borrowed feathers proudly. When he arrived, everyone admired his colorful display, and though he couldn't fly, he danced joyfully, celebrating with his friends. Flying is nice, but celebrating with friends is the greatest joy of all. The end.
Dear kids, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed today's episode of Uncle DK Stories with Ijapa and the Bird's Feathers, where we learned that yes, whether green hair, green eyes, blue eyes, brown eyes, big hands, small feet, we all have different things that make us unique and special. So we have to learn to love ourselves for who we are and for what we have, because those are the things that make us special. And then we have to learn to love our friends as well for everything that they might have that makes them unique and special. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. Stay tuned for more Uncle DK Stories. Until next time, I love you. Bye-bye.